Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be taking a look at a whole new installation setup for the Whitestone dome glass screen protector on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Now, if you've been following my channel for a while now, you'll know that these Whitestone dome glass screen protectors are my go-to screen protectors for all of my devices. They do a really good job at protecting those beautiful displays, especially for a beautiful, expensive device like this. You want to invest in a really good screen protector that's really going to protect that display. So I always go to Whitestone dome glass screen protectors because they always do such a great job. Well, it looks like they have a whole new installation process to put these screen protectors on nice and precise. That's supposed to be a lot easier than the older models. If you guys remember, on the older models, it was just such a long process to put these screen protectors on these devices. Well, it looks like these are supposed to, or at least this process right here is supposed to be a lot easier than the one before. I don't really know, to be honest with you guys. This is actually going to be my very first time ever messing with their new process here. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at the box here. Premium screen protection for full solution, full response, full clarity, full coverage, full filling. Let's go to the back of the box here. Just kind of gives you a little rundown of what the process is like. One touch solution. So as you can see, it's supposed to be a lot easier. I don't know, for someone who's never seen this before, it looks a little bit complicated to me, to be honest with you guys, but you know, we're just gonna have to do it and see if it is going to be a lot easier. Now, this pack does come with 3 screen protectors. As you can see, I got 2 right here. I got 1 here ready to go. Got everything else I need right here ready to go. And it also comes with extra stickers, extra towels in the box as well for those extra screen protectors. But let's go ahead and get this started. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is powered off. Then once you have it powered off, you're going to take these stickers right here, and then you're just going to place them along the sides, over the buttons right here, the top, this side as well, and then over the speaker, the S Pen, all the bottom right here. So I'm going to go ahead and peel these off and then set it along the side. So what you want to do is peel off the small piece first, take it just like that, put it right over those buttons right there, just like that. And then I guess what you do is just you pull the plastic part out like this, and then you just spread it among the side. There we go, just like that. So you want to do that on both sides, the top and the bottom. All right, so I got the black stickers along the sides here, as you can see, the top and the bottom. And what these are for is to prevent any adhesive from possibly getting into any holes or crevices around the device. So once we got all those stickers on, the next thing we are going to do is get one of our wet towelettes here, or whatever you want to call them, moist towelettes, wet cloths, whatever you want to call them. We're just going to go ahead and clean this display. Make sure you don't have any fingerprints or stains around this display. So I'm just going to go ahead and wipe it down here. Okay, and once we are done wiping it down, go ahead and toss that to the side. Then we're going to take the dry towel here and just dry the display. Make sure there's no moisture going on. There we go. Looks clean to me. Make sure I don't have no lint there. There we go. And then next, what we are going to do is just place the phone down on the table, and we're going to set this on top. But before we set this on top, you'll see we have this little piece of plastic here. You're just gonna want to peel that down just like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put this part to the side. This part's gonna fall out just like you saw there. Put it to the side, and then we're gonna go ahead and just set this on top of the phone. And it's gonna take a little bit of force, but you really want to make sure it gets on the device good like that. You'll hear it snap down. Make sure we got it on there really good. There we go. And then you can also pick it up just to put your hands in the back to make sure it's pushed in nice and tight. And you want to make sure these little blue things popping out right here are making contact with the display, both on the top right here and the bottom. And then once the phone is in there nice and secure, you'll see at the top right here, we got that little sticker already set up covering the earpiece. So you're just going to want to take your finger and smoothen it out to make sure it sticks to the earpiece to prevent any adhesive from getting into there. Okay, so now that we got the device in there set up, ready to go, nice and secure, making sure the sticker is stuck onto the earpiece as well, you want to make sure that this little blue part up here up top, let me see, you want to push this red part down. If it needs to go down, just push it down just like that. You want to make sure this little blue part is locked in just like that. You want to make sure it's locked into place because you don't want this red part sliding out on you. So this part does come out, but if you do happen to have it out, make sure it's pushed in and locked in just like that. Do not forget that. So now what we want to do is hold the red top part in place and just twist this knob right here until it doesn't twist anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and twist it. Almost there. I can feel it getting tight. And there we go. So I can't twist it anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and just leave that. And what this is going to do, well, you'll see in a little bit, that's why we need this to make sure this little blue piece right here is locked into place, because this right here actually pushes this whole red piece out like that. And you don't want that happening right now. So now that we got that all taken care of, what we're going to do is get our dust remover sticker just like that and just remove the dust around the display, making sure you don't have any dust on your display, because you don't want any possible air bubbles coming up at you under this screen protector. So I'm just going to go around the display, make sure I don't have any dust resting on there. Okay, so we are looking good. Let me go ahead and put this over to the side. Now we're going to get our bridge right here and put it into these two inserts on each side, just like this, just like that. Then we'll go ahead and get our adhesive right here. And you want to remove the red cap. We're going to go ahead and leave the black one on for now. So we're going to go ahead and take this off. And please make sure that you do this on a flat surface. You don't want to risk the adhesive sliding down, sliding up. You want to make sure it falls right into place. So we're going to go ahead and take off the red cap just like that. Go ahead and throw it to the side. And then we'll put this bottle right in the hole just like that. Make sure it's in there nice and secure. It's not going to screw on or anything like that. You just want to make sure it's nice and tight in the hole like that. And now we can remove the black cap. So I'm going to go ahead and twist it out. Pull this away. And I'm going to go ahead and just wait about 30 seconds to make sure all the adhesive is out of the cap. Okay, so all the adhesive is pretty much out. I'm going to go ahead and remove the bottle first. Throw that to the side, and then go ahead and remove the bridge. Put that to the side, and now we can go ahead and take our screen protector, peel off the sticker inside the screen protector, just pull down just like that. There we go. And then we're going to go ahead and just drop it. Make sure it's facing the right way. You want to look at the curves to make sure the curves are facing down. You want to push it up against the bottom and just drop it in there just like that. And then once that's dropped in there like that, so we're going to take this tool right here. We're going to put it right, there's these two little inserts right here on the bottom. You want to make sure these two pieces down here at the bottom meet those inserts. Just stick them right in and go ahead and just lay it on the screen protector like that. Okay, so I went ahead and moved my light over so there's not too much glare going on here so you guys can actually see what I am doing. So this is what your setup is going to look like. Now, once we get to this part right here, remember that little blue hook I told you to make sure it was locked earlier? All we're gonna do is just push that little blue hook back and let the magic happen. So here we go. And boom, there it goes. Look at it go, look at it go. Look at that. So all the adhesive is now spreading among the screen protector, as you can see there. This little tool right here is helping it spread evenly as well. And you want to make sure this goes all the way out. So as you can see, it went all the way out. And I'm going to wait about 2 minutes to let the adhesive spread evenly, and I will be back in a little bit. Okay, so it looks like the adhesive is spread out nice and easily. So what we want to do now is take off this top piece right here. Just pull it up just like that. It looks like the screen protector is nice and even around the bottom, around the top. So we're just going to take our UV light right here, put it at the top for 15 seconds, and then move it down to the bottom for another 15 seconds. Okay, so that was 15 seconds on the top and the bottom. Once we've done that, we'll go ahead and set that to the side for now. And then we're going to take the phone out of the little bracket that we have right here. Just going to want to push it out just like that. Move that over to the side. And then we want to take our wet towelette here and just clean around the sides of the device. Well, first we want to take off these black stickers right here. Take off the top one. Take off this side. And the bottom. Okay, so once we've done that, we'll go ahead and take our wet little moist towelette right here. Just go all the way around the sides in case any adhesive did happen to get through. You don't want that sticking to the sides of your device. Okay, so that looks clean to me. Then we're just gonna dry all the way around with our dry towel here. Make sure there's no moisture. Get the fingerprints off the screen protector itself. There we go. Then once we've done that, we're gonna get our UV light once again. Do 60 seconds this time on the top and then 60 seconds on the bottom. So that was 60 seconds on the top and the bottom, and we are going to want to repeat those steps. But before we repeat those steps, what I like to do is usually where the fingerprint sensor is, I like to just apply pressure with my thumb there for about 30 seconds to really ensure that the fingerprint sensor will work with the screen protector. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of pressure there with my thumb for about 30 seconds. There we are, that was about 30 seconds. So again, I'm going to do 60 seconds at the top and then 60 seconds at the bottom. Okay, so that was another 60 seconds at the top and the bottom. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Let's see what it looks like. Woo, that is looking good. Not too bad for my first time with this new process they got going on. I don't see any air bubbles, anything like that. Look at that. Looks really, really, really good. So pretty proud of myself here. Let me go ahead and power the device on. Now what we're gonna do is set up a fingerprint to see just how well the fingerprint sensor works with this screen protector. Okay, so let's go ahead and set up this fingerprint here. Seems to be going pretty smooth. Look how fast that's going actually. Not too bad, not too bad. Already halfway there. Let's keep it going, almost there. Whoops, missed one there. 76%. Come on. Almost there. Boom, there we go. 100% done. All right, let's go ahead and test this out. See how good it works. Boom, look at that. One more time. Boom. Okay, one more time, one more time. Boom. Let's try with the screen off. Boom. Okay, so as you can see, the fingerprint sensor does work actually really good with this screen protector right here. Not bad at all. And I'm actually, like I said earlier, I'm pretty proud of myself of how good it came out for my very first time. So I would like to know what you guys think down in the comments sections below. Do you think this way seemed a lot easier than the previous way, or do you think the previous way is the way to go over this new way here? Let me know what you guys think down in the comment sections below. I'd love to know your thoughts. If you do find yourself interested in this little package right here, like I said, it comes with 3. I'll make sure to have a link down in the description below so you can check one out for yourself. But again, let me know your thoughts. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you guys so very much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.